how to share your Shein wishlist. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to share your wishlist from Shein, you may follow up the steps. So open up the Shein application on your screen, on your device, and once you open it up, you may just go ahead and log in into your account first. And once you are logged in, what you can do is you may just basically look out for the products that you would like to add to wishlist. So for example, if I would like to add this product right here, you may just go ahead and tap on the product and you should be finding a heart icon. Tap on it, and when you do, you will be basically adding that product to wish list. Right here, you can tap on this heart icon and that product will be added to wish list. Now, if you would like to share your wish list, what you can do is head over the Me tab. And once you are here, look out for your wish list. From this option, tap on wish list. And once you tap on it here, you will be finding your wish list. So if you would like to share your wish list, you can head over the wished product right here. Tap on it in order to open it up. And from there at the top right corner, you should be finding a share option. Click on it. And once you click on it, there you'll be finding different options. You can either copy the link, you can even share the image if you prefer, and you can share it within this social media platforms. For example, if you'd like to share it in WhatsApp, you can directly copy the link, or you can directly look out for WhatsApp here. Let me head over to WhatsApp and then go over to one of the chats. Once you are there, you can just go and paste the link, hit send, and there you go. So this is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.